So we got this situation to handle. Let f of x and g of x be two real polynomial of degree 2 and 1 respectively. So f of x is 2-degree polynomial, g of x is 1-degree polynomial. If f of g of x is this, g of f of x is this, okay. So look at this situation. So these guys have provided us f of g of x and g of f of x. They haven't provided us f of x and g of x. What they did, they have give you their degree. Okay, so what we will do, first we will focus on f of x. So who is f of x? F of x is a 2-degree polynomial. So we will assume a polynomial of degree 2, that to be in standard form. So can I go with ax square plus bx plus c? So this is your f of x. Now focus on g of x. So who is g of x? G of x is a polynomial of degree 1. So you have to write down 1-degree polynomial in standard form, that is ax plus b. But you guys have already introduced a, b and c, so you cannot use those variable. So you should go with dx plus e. So we got our f of x and g of x. Now what you have to do, just find f of g of x according to you. Okay, so look at this. You have to replace x of f with g. So it is a times g of x whole square plus b times g of x plus c. Now let's introduce. So a is a. Now dx plus e whole square. So we will be having dx plus e whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this is your g of x whole square. Now plus, so it is b dx plus be and plus this constant c. Now let's write down this thing in standard form, that is ad square x square. Now I will be writing x. Okay, so it is 2a d e, means from here and from here, plus bd, and then we will be having x. Now we will be writing the constant component. The constant component is a e square plus be plus c. So this is our constant component. Now we will focus on g of f of x. So who is g of f of x? Wait. So it is g of f of x. Now we have to replace x of g with f of x. So it is d times f of x plus e. Now do the replacements and we will be having ad x square and then bd with x, and then we have c, so cd plus e. So the constant is cd plus e. So this is our constant. Now what you have to do, you have to compare to get the variable a, b, c and d. Okay, till this part you now I hope you guys are okay with this thing. Okay, and let's proceed now. So first focus on f of g of x. This is f of g of x. This is our f of g of x. We'll compare the coefficient. So can we write ad square is equal to 8? I am comparing the x square. Now I'll be comparing coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is bd. According to x is this. Now it is minus of 2. Okay. Now the constant component is CD plus E equals to 0. Now be super slow. Here they have given, no, I don't think we can extract any other information from this part. Wait, I have taken wrong entity. Now look at this. So we have compared the coefficient of x square, done. Now the coefficient of x, this is a 2 times a d e plus bd equals to minus 2, and ae square plus be plus c is equal to 0. Now done. Now we will compare the coefficient of g of f of x with g of f of x. Now we have AD as 4. Coefficient of x is 6. BD as 6. I can write this BD here as well. BD as 6. Now the constant component CD plus E. CD plus E is 1. Now be super slow. And if you will compare these two components, you can write 4 times D equals to 8. Okay, 4 times D equals to 8. So D is equal to 2. So we got one of the value of the arbitrary constant. Okay. Now you got value of D as 2. So you can find out you can substitute there, and you can find out the value of B. So value of B will become 3 because D is 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. So you got your B and D done. So if you got value of D, you can substitute here to find out value of A. So value of A will become, D is 2, so A will also become 2. So you got your A done. Now we got ABD. ABD is done. ABD, yes. Now look at this component. We will substitute the values over here to get the value of E. Okay. So 2 times A is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 times E. 8 times E. And then plus BD. So BD is 6 equals to minus 2. So this 6 will go that side. It will become minus of 8. So E becomes minus 1. So you got value of E as minus 1. Now you have to find out the value of C. We can use this equation to find out the value of C. Let's proceed. So who is D? D is 2. So it is 2C minus 1 equals to 1. So value of C is 1. I hope this thing you can do to find out the variable. Now, so according to me, the function f of x becomes what? A is 2. So it is 2x square. Okay. And the, sorry, B. Who is B? B is 3 plus 3x. Now we have to go for the constant C. C is 1. Okay. So the function f of x is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Similarly, let's write down the function g. So it's d. D is 2. So 2x plus e minus 1. Okay. So 2x minus 1 is g of x. Now we have to find out f of 2 plus g of 2. Let's do it. So it will become 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 plus 1. Now 2 plus 4 minus 1. So this thing gone. It is 18. Hence the required value is 18. I hope you got the idea, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations as well. Okay.